Hi everyone, I'm back with the first part of my video recipes from a previous video I did where I pulled out some things out of my pantry that were getting ready to expire, as well as things I have duplicates of or multiples of, and I don't want anything to go to waste. So I need to rotate out some of the things in my pantry. So first up on the list of recipes that I'm going to cook, the first one is the easiest because I had this pack of minestrone, this pho soup starter, chicken flavor, and then I have this broth. So I'm mixing these two together because this has a sweet taste to it, and I don't like my soups to be sweet, but I do want to get rid of it. So I mixed it with this, and then I'm going to add in some more chicken bouillon to punch up chicken flavor in the base. And then I'm going to add in some additional vegetables just to make it more hearty. Also out of my pantry, I'm going to add in some herb de Provence. I'm also going to add in some red pepper flakes as well. Let's get started. So to my pot, I've already added in my soup stock. And now I'm going to add in my herb de Provence. This is how I measure, everyone. It's pretty strong, so you don't need a lot of this. And I'm going to add in some red pepper flakes. And as I stated, I want to add in a little bit more chicken bouillon. And I have 8 cups of water, so if this seems like a lot, it isn't. Now I'm going to let this come up to a boil, and then I will be adding in my minestrone mix, and as well as some additional frozen vegetables. And that will be it for this. Okay, so it's time for me to add in the rest of the ingredients, and I will be finished with this recipe. But I just wanted to show you guys, this is, I crochet, and this is a pot holder that I made. But here we go. I'm going to add in my ingredients. Okay, well, now I'm just gonna let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is the results of my first recipe from my pantry. All right, here you go. The rice I got out of my Instapot, and this is what the soup looks like. And the final results. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.